24 hours after India's pharma giant Ranbaxy was slapped with serious allegations of adulteration by the US government, the company has come out denying the charges.
There have been media reports over the weekend, troubling reports actually for Ranbaxy, that the US government is now launching a probe against Ranbaxy for the company failing to meet the standards of drug production, and also the fact that they've actually given forged documents to pass a drug test. Now, Ranbaxy is of course very rattled because with this news hitting the newspapers, the Economic Times front page this morning, the stock tanked by 10%. Not just that, it also threatens to derail that important deal that they had with Daiichi Sankyo. It was Malvinder Singh's dream come true when he sold the promoter stake to Daiichi Sankyo. But these kind of reports threaten to derail the entire process, that entire big deal. And in the meantime, during the day today, Ranbaxy has issued a press release saying that they're strongly denying the allegations contained in the motion that has been filed by the US Department of Justice. They believe that no legal proceedings in the sense of prosecution has yet been initiated. The company is also would like to state that an investigation has been underway for 3 years and no charges as yet has been filed against the company. But these are really worrying charges against Ranbaxy, charges of producing fake documents to pass drug tests, and the fact that they're selling substandard drugs in America, because if any kind of legal prosecution is indeed initiated against the company, the penalties will be huge, and of course the stock will continue to fall further. So for now, the last word is not yet out on this particular episode, and we'll wait and see the movements or the developments from the US over the next couple of days.
A bitter pill now for Ranbaxy to swallow, but they're not going to. They're going to fight it in US courts. It's quite apparent.